Thanks for joining me again in this journey. After discovering Tashkent Mall and Magic City, we are heading to see the Tashkent City Park. We have taken the metro from Amir Temur Square. Now walking towards these tall buildings. We are here. These buildings look amazing. Love all the light shows on these buildings. After discovering Samarkand and Bukharest's traditional style buildings, we were not expecting these modern buildings at all. You can see the Uzbekistan flag on one of the buildings. Some people are dancing here. It looks like a celebration. Finally, we can see the Tashkent City Park sign. Now all the buildings are showing Uzbekistan's flag. There is Madame Tussauds Museum here too. If you're looking to enjoy a fountain show in Tashkent, this is where you find it. We are waiting for the show now. Show has started now. The whole area feels magical. This fountain show is very long. I have seen the Dubai fountain show and thought those are the best. But these are bigger and better along with the fire show. Just enjoy this show. We got wet as we were very close to these fountains. At last the show is over. Overall, there is more to see, but we have no time.